So this is a fantastic helmet for the price. This one is in glossy blue. It's got the retractable face shield, and it's a full face modular helmet. I really like it. It's super comfortable. It's only about 64 bucks, and I have not found a helmet that is true to fit size, except for this one. It says I take a large, and I do take a large. So everyone else I've had to go up one size to an extra large. So this is a really nice helmet. It's vented. Like I said, it's a modular helmet, so you can have it like half face or full face.
Ever had. This is too cool. Check this out. I can be like, yo, what's up? My name is Olin. Very cool. I click button. I got it down. I can do this. Oh! Oh! Now I can do that.